incoming artillery fire. Could have been rockets. Felt very close to the center of... There's one. I don't know if you can hear that. Can you hear that, Mark? Yeah. It feels very close to the center of the city. We are taking a position by the wall on the roof of our hotel. It's coming from a northerly direction. That is where we think the bulk of the Russian troops are. Our alarm's going off now. I have to say the streets are basically deserted. A couple of days ago it was like any other city. Now it's completely deserted. A couple of cars trying to negotiate the snow. If a reminder were necessary that this city is in the process of being encircled by Russian troops, this serves as an excellent reminder of that. It's still going on. Start. It's like this drumbeat of war, reminding everybody that the Russians are close and moving in. And that is a very... I'm just going to stop speaking for a minute. Could be rocket fire. It's very, very quick. Very intense. We're going to move in. Very difficult to see because of the snow. And actually the snow acts to muffle the sound. This is a very intense bombardment.
Let you go, John. I think we should let you go. And we're going to let John Stark go. Here in Kiev, the sirens are going. We have seen troops running across the square here. A lot of people moving quite quickly for cover. Certainly lots of troops. They had just now, we saw them with ammunition boxes, and they appear to be taking some sort of cover. I think it might be a sensible option for us at some stage in the not too distant future. In fact, I don't know whether I think we're going to go back to Neil Patterson in London, and we will come back to you once we get the all clear. Neil, to you in London.
Mark, thanks very much indeed for giving me understand that the need for our teams on the ground within our own PM and elsewhere to stay safe into those circumstances right now.